Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The belief of many gods and created gods, G small, is not invented by Jahlami, since he is not so intelligent, but he borrowed these beliefs from Christian sects like Next Generation Saints, Words of Faith, and Mormons. Mormons believe in the deification of believers and faithfuls in little gods, minor gods, and created gods, G small. Mormons do not believe in deification to Almighty God, G capital, according to Tom Brown Ministries. I am not aware of any true Christian using the term God, G small, to mean that we are creators. He also said, we are simply creatures made in the image of God, endowed with dominion. Thus, we are gods in the sense, and nothing else should be inferred. Kenneth, 1917 2003, and Charles Capps, 1934 2014, have argued that God, G capital, created the universe by speaking it into existence, Genesis 1, and God has endowed believers with this power. And the similar argument used by Mr. Jahlami. Proof texts used by Mormons, Next Generation Saints, Words of Faith are generally the following, and you can see that these are the following texts, proofs, attempted proof texts used by these sects. And the mainstream of Christianity does not agree with Mormons, but it is very interesting to note that Jahlami has used almost similar arguments for mini gods or minor gods and created gods or made gods, which were used by Mormons. So by the methodology used by Jahlami, it is evident that he is trying to implant Mormonism in Islam. And those who think that Jahlami has discovered something new, unknown, from the 1st century to the 15th century, we are in the middle of the 15th century AH, and it is very clear that Jahlami is just making another type of shirk in Islam, implanting it, grafting it in Islam, and he is very dangerous in this regard, because we have seen Mormonism, and it may be noted once for all that even Mormonism are not Trinitarians. Just like Jahlami, he is not a Trinitarian. So sometimes a non-Trinitarian can believe in many gods and created gods, just like Mormons, and this is also a type of shirk. But in other words, we can say that these both beliefs, many god and created gods, these both beliefs are types of shirk. Thanks.